Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you all are doing good. I'm your English teacher. Take out your English practice book. Dear students, take out page number 4. In our previous lecture, we studied a passage and the title of our passage was A Clever Answer. So today we are going to do some exercise work related to this passage. So look at question number 1. Who said it? Circle the correct answer. Here we have some options and we have to circle the correct option. Okay. So the first one is who said it? Who said these words? Who said this word? Oh my. So let's find out who said this word. Options are lion, lioness, donkey. Let's see who said this. Look at this. Oh my, said the lioness. So the correct option is lioness. Circle it. Now next page. Next we have I hope that you are feeling better soon. Now who said this sentence? Lion, lioness or fox? Let's see. Now as you can see, this sentence is here. I hope that you are feeling better soon. The lion went on his way. The lion answered. So this means that lion is the correct option. Circle the lion. Next is you, indeed you do. Who said this? Donkey, leopard or fox? Let's find out. Look at this. You said the donkey. Indeed you do. So it means the correct option is, or the correct answer is donkey. Circle the donkey. Next we have I am sorry. Who said this? Donkey, leopard or fox? Let's find out the answer. Look at this. The answer is here. Oh mighty king, I am sorry. Who said this? The fox. So the correct option is fox. Circle fox. Your breath is finer than the finest perfume. Who said this sentence? Donkey, leopard or fox? Let's find out. As you can see here, your breath is finer than the finest perfume. So this sentence is said by leopard. As you can see here, the leopard replied. So the correct option is leopard. Understand? Now answer the questions. Question number 1 is why did the lion kill the donkey? So let's find out the answer in our passage. Let's see where the answer is. As you can see here, he roared in the donkey's face. You said the donkey. Indeed you do. The lion was insulted and immediately killed the donkey. So let's write down the answer. So the answer is the lion killed the donkey because he was insulted. As we read in our passage that the lion killed the donkey because he felt insulted. So that's why the lion killed the donkey because he was insulted. Question number 2 is how did the leopard respond to the lion's question and what happened to him? So let's find out the answer. As you can see here, the leopard replied, "Oh great sire." Sire means the male parent of an animal. Your breath is as sweet as the morning dew. Your breath is as delightful as the finest flower, and your breath is as finer than the finest perfume. So again the lion roared in anger. You are making fun of me, the mighty king. So he killed the leopard too. So the answer is The leopard said that the lion's breath is as sweet as the morning dew, so the lion killed him. Question number 3 is, what was Fox's response to the lion? So as we read in our passage that the fox replied to the lion that I'm sorry, much as I would like to answer your question, I cannot. You see, I have a cold, I cannot smell anything right now. So the answer is, the fox replied that he has cold and he cannot smell anything. Now open page number 6. We have match each word with its meaning in context. Here we have some words and we have to match them with their correct meaning. So the first word is yawn. Yawn means pleasant, or to make a loud sound, or to open your mouth wide and take a big breath, or disappointed, or to offend or hurt someone. So the right meaning for yawn is to open your mouth wide and take a big breath. So write A over here. Second is dismay. Let's find out its meaning. Pleasant, to make a loud sound. Disappointed, yes, disappointed. So write B over here. Next is insulted. What is its meaning? Pleasant, to make a loud sound, or to offend or hurt someone. To offend or hurt someone. So write C over here. Insult means to offend or hurt someone. Delightful. Delightful means pleasant. Write D over here. And roared. Roared means to make a loud sound. Write E over here. Understand? Now it's your homework task. You have to use these words, these 5 words in your sentences, and you have to write your sentences over here. But you have to make meaningful sentences and you have to use these words in your sentences. Okay? So I think this is enough for today. Thank you so much, my dear students. Allah Hafiz.